I've built a lot of apps over the last 7 months. I found a lot of problems. I'm going to provide a document below in the description that you can download today and feed it to your AI so you can build these apps at home. I don't use Unity, I don't use Godot, I don't use Unreal Engine, I just use VS Code and I build it through Expo. I don't have an Apple device. As you can see here, I've built an app that uses an AI on the phone itself called Quest Giver. I'm going to be demonstrating another one in a second called Local Research. In Quest Giver here, you can see that you can point your phone at something, it reads what the image says and produces a quest for you. Local Research is a much more intelligent system where you can choose the model that you want to download from the Hugging Face store. This is how it currently works in its thinking, based on having multiple agents compete with each other. Basically, plugging your phone overnight and allow it to do some research. There are a lot of things that I did over the last few months that I tried to discover because I'd never made an iOS app before. The idea was I wanted to build local apps that didn't cost me much in the way of maintaining once they were built. I was also hoping to discover something new every time I made a new app, and you'll see the variations that I have here. So my favorite overall is dot physics. It's also free. Most of these apps are free. Now, why I built it? I built it because I wanted to learn how to do so for another friend of mine who asked me to do it, and I said, I've never done it before. I have no idea. I had some time over Christmas and I built a game called Void Caravan. It took 2 weeks, made a bunch of mistakes. I decided, hey, I'm going to start writing down these mistakes. I suggest that you do them too. And then when I found the solution to those mistakes, I then put that into the document. And then I ended up moving my app creation from like 2 to 3 weeks down to 2 weeks, down to 1 week. And now the biggest issue is that I keep on pushing those boundaries and writing up that document. This is from Steam. I also had a little bit of an issue in there that I put into the document below. Now, why am I providing this to you? Well, I'm actually looking for a job. I'm looking for a job and I have a lot to demo. I'm probably about halfway through this full document. There's a lot more apps that I want to build and a lot more tools I want to discover and a lot more failings of AI that can't actually solve it on the first go. The purpose for me is to share this and maybe somebody else out there will like it. However, saying that, it also will reduce your time. Even if that specific issue isn't there that you have run into, you can just add it to the file yourself. I'll be putting in a .md file and a PDF. This is my latest game. It's not even out in the store at the moment. I'm working on it, and this one had a whole bunch of issues with it. It's a roguelite game that I'm actually really enjoying making, including asset creation, and I've discovered a bunch of problems with respect to AI in trying to follow goals, which I'm sure you all have too, that I've been able to work around quite a bit. And I think that would be quite useful for a lot of you. If you're interested in this, let me know in the comments because I put maybe 2 weeks into this. Games are a lot harder to make than making apps, right? If you're going to make something in the future, I would personally suggest make a singular app. Make something that is not network connected if possible, and this document would be very powerful for you, for starters.